Welcome back to the channel. Guys, today I wanted to do a different video because we are still missing some parts here. We have to mount the front brake calipers, the master cylinder and all of the brake lines. But one of the packages is lost. Woohoo! And I have to wait for another one. I don't want to waste time, so today we are going to restore the wheels that I have for that car and we will finally put that chassis on the ground. Let's do that. Those wheels were mounted to that black Beetle, and these are the only ones that I have with the Beetle bolt pattern, which is 4x130, and so we have to use them. And guys, I really like them despite the fact that they look like crap right now, but I think that we can get rid of most of that rust, and after that we will clean them and then we will polish them. So trust me, till the end of that episode they will look awesome. But first I think that we should get rid of those tires because they are almost 30 years old and they are gone, so we won't be using them. I have another set of tires, so let's get rid of these first. Much better. Of course I forgot to power wash them, but that is okay. We will do that after we will get rid of all of that rust. And the job that we need to do here is very simple and tedious at the same time. I have that steel wool and all we need to do is to scrub it until it gets shiny. Of course I know that the chrome here is gone and it won't be shiny here, but if the rest will be shiny, this won't be that visible. The good news is that this is the worst one. These two are in a way better condition and this one looks awesome even now. Okay, so let's start from the worst one. Okay, so let's start from here and we'll see if this will work. Look at that, guys, it works. Okay, so now let's do the rest of the rim. Holy crap, my hands hurt a lot because I was doing that for 2 hours, but look at it now, guys. This is just incredible. The rust is gone, of course not completely, because as you can see those rusty spots are still here, but the rim is not red anymore, it's shiny, and because of that those rusty spots are not visible anymore. And the funny thing is that that was only the first stage. We didn't even polish it yet, so I wonder how it will look after that. And now check this out, this is the worst rim and this is the rim in a way better condition. Look at that and look at that. Holy crap! I am extremely happy about that result, so now let's do the rest of the rims at once. Okay, it's done. Holy crap, it took me a while to do 3 of them at once, but I did it. And I also power washed them off camera, so they are prepared for the polishing. Finally. Okay, this is how they look now. They are in the same order as earlier. This one is the worst one. That one over there is the best one. I tried to get rid of all of the rusty spots, but unfortunately the rust came back after I washed them, so I hope that it will disappear once again after our next mission. This time we are going to use a machine with a polishing wheel. I used that when I was polishing rims for my Passat a few months ago and it worked phenomenal. So we will use it once again. And now, at first I wanted to use the same compound as back then, but nope, this is only for aluminum. Then I found this, and by the way, this is the best polish for aluminum that I have ever used. And look at that. Not recommended for gold plating, chrome, anodized, painted or coated metals. So nope. And after a while I remembered that a few years ago I polished chrome with that and it worked very good. So I bought it once again. So what we will do here is very simple. We will put a thin layer of that everywhere. We will leave it for a few minutes to dry and then we will heat it with that, and hopefully it will shine even more than now. So let's do that. Okay, fingers crossed, guys. Of course, it's far from perfect, but guys, it looks way better than before, and even those rusty spots are shiny now, so I'll take that. Let's do the rest. Look at that, guys. Holy crap. Of course, this is once again the same order. This one is the worst one. Those rusty spots are visible, but not that visible. And this one is nearly perfect. Holy crap. I would love to have all of them looking like that. Okay, so these are done. So next mission, the tires. I found them, I washed them, and they are ready to be mounted. These are almost new. I bought them a few years ago for that car, but after 500 miles I decided to rebuild that car, and that is why we have a set of almost new tires for that project. So I have to find a place to mount them, and we will mount the whole wheels onto the chassis. Finally. Okay, so let's do the magic. There we go. Check this out. Finally. Of course, guys that were doing that had greasy hands, and now I have grease all over my rims and I don't want to clean them once again, so we will mount them as they are and I will clean them another time. I have these bolts for those rims and yeah, they look like crap. I wanted to clean them, but it's gone too far, so we will mount them as they are, and don't worry because they won't be visible. Holy crap, look at that, we've got a car, almost. And now I mount them in a specific order because this is my side and I want to have the best view. So this is the best one, this is the second best one, the third best one, and the worst one is over there, the furthest from me. And guys, that is not all. Now the cherry on the top of the cake. I have these, but to be honest, I hate them, so we won't be using them. A few years ago, I bought another set, which looks like that. Check that out. I think that they look a lot better than these. 3 of them are in a decent condition. This one is scratched a bit, but that is okay. So let's mount them. Oh my god, I love them. I always wanted to have these on those rims. Finally. Okay guys, so now we can put it on the ground. We have a touchdown. Okay, stupid me. I forgot that we didn't tighten the bolts in the front suspension because I don't want to do that without the body. So the front will go back on the jacks. Okay, we got it. I think that we can say that we have a touchdown because the front wheels are on the ground. Oh my god, guys, this is another best day of my life. I've been waiting for that moment for a long time and I finally got it. Incredible. Do you see what we just did? Man, we have a rollie. I am speechless once again, so I think that it's time to end this video. You know what the next video is going to be about and I can't wait to do that. And remember, your project won't finish itself. Thank you for today. Like, comment and subscribe and see you very shortly.